Yo, so what's going on, guys? So today I want to talk about so far how the school's going, exciting news that recently happened, the state of HVAC, and why you should be in it. Let's go. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Mario here. Representing that BX, baby. Yo, I haven't been on here in a minute. It's been so busy in school and just doing things around the house. But I'm here now. And last time we was talking about my school, right? I was telling you how the school worked, Ashworth College. I'm still in that school. Last time I think I was in lesson 2, unit something. Now I'm in like lesson 4. Now I'm in lesson 4, unit 3. So moving along. There's only 6 lessons, so I got 2 more lessons to go after this lesson 4. So can't wait for that. I should be done probably, hopefully the end of July if I keep this same pace going. But yeah, everything's going good with the school. I want to do another video as well later on in reference to the new lessons and how those lessons unfold in Ashworth College and what they teach online school. So I want to also help let people who want to decide to go the HVAC route online to also see what the curriculum is in the school. So that way maybe if you decide to get into it, you can actually pick this school as well. So I'm going to do another video speaking on the previous lessons that I haven't talked about up to this point as well. I'll do that later on this week. But I want to really just come to this video right now just to kind of give you an update on my situation, my status, because things have kind of changed for me right now. If you've been following me, obviously you know this is called a Journey into HVAC. And the whole premise of this was, can I get into HVAC going to an online school during a pandemic in New York? No knowledge, no skills. Get a job while in school, learn hands-on, and start a career in this trade. That's the journey. That's the experiment, right? Well, I'm in school, obviously, as you know, and the good news is I just got a job offer. Yes, just got a job offer here in New York City as an apprentice, starting on Monday. So I'm very excited, can't wait to get my foot in the door, get the knowledge going, be able to put what I'm learning online with the stuff in the field. I can't wait for that and just start getting this knowledge and experience so I can be better and become great at this field and trade, So eventually, hopefully I can start my own HVAC business, God willing. But that's the great news I had to come share with you guys. So if you want to say the experiment worked so far, guys. It worked. You can go online, take courses, and I don't even have, like I said, I don't even have an EPA yet. I'm not going to take that until after I finish school. So I don't have an EPA certificate. So I'm here with no kind of certificate, no kind of license or anything. And I just got offered this job. So it's possible. You may say, how did I do it, right? How do you do it, Mario? What was your strategy? How did you do it? Well, how I did it was, I just applied to every single HVAC job that I saw. I was on LinkedIn, I was on Indeed, I was on Glassdoor, ZipRecruiter, everywhere. But those are the main ones that I were on. and I applied to every HVAC position that they had available. There was some asking for installers, some asking for senior techs, some asking for 3 to 5 years of experience, all that stuff, right? I didn't care. I gave my resume anyway. And that was my strategy. Just applying, don't wait. Don't sit in looking for a helper job or apprentice job. Just send your resume to them. And like I said, I already told myself, if that didn't work, I'm gonna just start calling companies, asking about, hey, I'm trying to get an industry. But luckily that worked. I had a job using a ZipRecruiter who actually reached out to me. I went in for an interview. I went in sharp. I had the suit and tie on, fresh. They even thought, I guess, an overdress really, because I guess usually people usually come in here in like some business casual, khakis and a polo or some stuff. But nah, I was wearing that sharp, like I'm going into a business meeting, And basically, I sat down with one of the owners of the company. We just kind of had a casual conversation. We were just talking about the job, reasons why I want to get into HVAC, my past work experience, and then he just kind of explained everything that his company is about and what they do. So it's a refrigeration and HVAC company, but they primarily are refrigeration. But I told him, yeah, that's what's up. I want to learn it all. I want to learn the HVAC, I want to learn refrigeration, install, service, maintenance. I want to learn it all. Because obviously, like I said, I'm trying to soak all this in, man. Soak all this information in. Because, I got plans, I got goals, I got dreams. Because eventually, like I told you, God willing, I want to set up my own business. And so they don't have to know that. But I'm telling you guys, because you're my friend. Went to the interview. He told me, okay, well, I like what you're saying. So what we'd like to do was, he said, like to bring people in for another interview, which is on the job interview. So I would go out with a tech and just be on the job with him, helping him out, and just see how it goes. If they like me, and if I guess I work hard and show, then they would offer me the position. Now, since the first interview, I was waiting for them to call me back for the on-the-job interview. Within a week after my initial interview, I was waiting and I never got a call back for the on-the-job interview. So during that week while waiting, I emailed the office manager, I just wanted to touch bases, because I haven't heard from you guys, and just reassure them that, I work harder, I'm dedicated, I'm committed, and I really want this. And, just let me know if the position is still available, because I haven't heard from anybody. So the office manager did follow up with me and she let me know, oh, don't worry, I'm sorry, we've just been busy, and just be patient. So a couple of days after that, she called me back and set up another interview. I'm thinking this is on a job interview, right? But no, she said, no, it's back in the office. So I put my suit and tie on again, looking sharp. Went back in the office and I met with the second owner. And we kind of basically had the same casual conversation. And, into that conversation, man, he said, all right, I like you. You want the job? And I said, hell yeah. So he gave me the job. So I thought the paperwork and everything. And so, yeah, man, I start on Monday. Can't wait to be apprentice. Basically going out with senior techs, helping them out, doing whatever I can do, man. So I'm so excited, I can't wait. Obviously, I know I'm not gonna get paid, what I've previously made in my banking career. But I know what I'm trying to go for, Sometimes it ain't always about the money. Sometimes you gotta go backwards and move forward, So I'm accepting an apprentice salary that they are offering, because I know that knowledge is way more important than the salary right now. So this is also, I guess, to just tell you guys, please get into this field early, man. When you don't have a lot of things going on, we don't have a house, car, kids, a family, because it's definitely difficult to be in this field, making those kind of wages later on in life, and you got all that stuff established. Luckily, I do have some financial stability and kind of established to be able to do this right now. Excited, I really get it going. And I just wanted to come and tell you guys that. And also, I just want to also reach out to the youth, man. For everybody, if you're coming out of school, you don't have plans after college. I mean, you don't have plans to go to college. You don't have plans of anything outside of school. Go into a trade. I know it's so much, I know it's so taught into to be able to go to college or to try to get into a job where you're in an office and you got a suit and tie on. But everybody with a suit and tie ain't making money. You know what I'm saying? Just because a man looks sharp don't mean he's making money. And just because a man looking dirty don't mean he broke. You guys gotta understand that concept. Look, the trade industry is an industry where you get knowledge that no one else has. So how powerful is that? You have knowledge that no one else has. And it's a shortage in the industries. I'm not just talking about HVAC right now, I'm talking about everything. Plumbing, electrician, brick mason, all that, man. Because a lot of the older generation is retiring. And there's no new people coming up to fill them people's shoes. So I'm telling you, there's a shortage in this industry. And they're looking for people, man. They're looking for good people like you. And you can make a lot of money in this industry. Not even owning your own business, but just working in the business. If you do decide to set up your own business, you could really make even more money. And don't be looking down on a job just because it's hard work. You gotta get away from that easy money, man. Hard work. When I was 12 young age, man, hard work is everything. I don't want it to come hard, you know what I'm saying? I want that blood, sweat, and tears up in my all into it. It pays off in me. It's way more gratifying and satisfying. So please, if you don't have any plans out of high school, you have to get into a trade. Get into a trade, learn it, pay your dues, and you can be so successful. You know, I'm getting into this trade late, man. You know, if I would have got into this trade when I was 20, 19, man, do you know where I would be right now in terms of being just in this trade? I would be the actual business owner that I always wanted to be. With employees and mad trucks, and just have a nice business set up to be able to support the community. But it's okay, it's never too late. So even though I'm past my 30s and I'm getting into this industry, I'm still excited. And I'm still gonna make things happen. I'm just gonna make them happen later than I thought. So I just wanna leave you guys with some information about the HVAC industry. And so basically the top states for HVAC workers for employment has the states who have the most employed HVAC workers. Number 1 is Florida. As of 2018, Florida had 29,650 workers in the HVAC industry, followed by California, who had 27,720. Then Texas at 25,290, New York at 19,160, Pennsylvania 15,330, and then North Carolina 14,370. So those are round out some of the top states who employ the most HVAC workers. Now, some of the top states who have the most upside and outlook in the HVAC industry right now is, of course, Florida, Texas, California, Arizona, New York, and North Carolina. So those are the states that increasingly is growing in terms of HVAC still. They really need HVAC techs within the next 4 or 5 years. So a lot of the older techs, like I said, are going to retire, and the industry is going to be hit for demand. And you know, when there's demand, that means your pay may also hit a demand. So it's a good time to get into the industry, good time to learn, good time to try to better yourself. If you're stuck in a job that you don't really like, and you want to try to do better, be better, and try to do something for your family. Like I said, everything don't come fast. Sometimes you take your time and work it slow, but it'll last, and it'll be well worth it in the end. I just want to leave you guys with that. But guys, I just want to come to you and let you know that information, and continue to follow me in this journey. Like I said, I'm going to be in the field, so I'm going to start shooting more footage in the field, hopefully showing you guys me in training, showing you guys grow in this field. And man, let's go, let's get it. I'm taking y'all with me, man. Please, like, subscribe, hit the bell. New York, we out here. Let's go.